everybody, and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about house versus RV. Basically, why did I sell my house and buy an RV? So, if you're not into that sort of thing, this is definitely not the video for you. I promise my next video will be much more entertaining and scenic. We're going to be driving up to Tofino, or halfway to Tofino, and get some great shots and some scenic shots. But I've had this video kind of in the back of my mind for a while. And so I just want to sit down with you guys, explain it over a nice cup of tea. Okay, so we're talking about why did I sell my house and buy an RV? When I first moved to Victoria, I became a truck driver. So I was with a company called Canadian Freightways. Basically like the big semis you see on the highway, kind of like that. Like a glorified UPS driver, just a little bit bigger truck. So I drove those from Monday to Friday. And then I also got a job on the weekend. So I was working 7 days a week. I became a busser slash barback at a nightclub here in Victoria. But at that time of my life, I was 20, I think I was 22, 23, making some decent money, working 7 days a week. And I thought, you know what? I want to buy a house. I was sick and tired of renting, like, hanging pictures on somebody else's wall. And buying a house, it's a good investment. It's a place to call home. It's your own. I could rent rooms out to kind of cheapen the mortgage. I wanted to experience what it was like to own my own home. And if I'm being honest, people see you as successful when you own a house. Like, oh, Taylor bought a house. You know, he's a good head on his shoulders. And so I'm not going to lie. That's another reason that I just felt like at that time of my life, that's what I should do. And that's what successful people do. I got a girlfriend, I got 2 bunnies, a white picket fence, and life was good. It was like a movie almost. Until one morning, I woke up. It was literally just one morning, and I went, is this it? Is this what happens for the next 40 years? I pay my house off, I work at this truck driving job, I have the girlfriend and the kids and the bunnies and the dogs and the white picket fence. Is that it? I started to get extremely depressed. I felt, the best word for it is I felt stuck. I felt like I was paying the bank. I felt like I was paying almost my rent to the bank, right? You're renting from the bank. And it's one stationary home. It's driving up the same driveway. It's the same front yard view. It's the same backyard view. It's the same everything. And I simply felt stuck. What did I do? I owned that house for a full year, and then I sold it. And I started to look for boats and somewhat RVs. My goal at that time was boats, and then I kind of realized, you know what, why don't I take little baby steps to get there? And that's when I started looking at RVs. Now listen guys, I know what you're saying. Taylor, you financed $110,000 for this truck. You still pay the bank, you still have your bills, the bank still owns you. Yes, but I don't feel like it owns me. And the biggest thing is I do not feel stuck anymore. And for me, happiness is my #1 goal. Happiness trumps it all. Don't let anybody take it away. So many people, when I was going to sell my house and I was thinking about buying a boat/RV, they told me that it was a silly, silly plan. And honestly, at one point, I started to believe them and I started to think, what am I doing? I had a house, I had a great investment. Why am I giving that up? Ouch. Because I was unhappy. Yes, it was a good investment, but if that's the only reason you're doing it, then you're only doing something for money. And every time I do something sheerly for money, I hate it. And I hate myself for doing it. So that is why I gave it up. And I also gave it up because I knew that this lifestyle would mean a lot to me and I was excited to experience it. I mean, look at my backyard right now. Now, I'm not making this video in spite of people who own homes. Like, it was an amazing experience. And after I'm done this life, well, I'm gonna go buy a boat and do that. And I'm sure down the road I'm gonna buy a home, because there's certainly something to be said about owning a home and how amazing that experience is. So it's not like a fight, like what's better, RV or house. I just wanted to let you guys know my opinion on the matter and exactly why I sold my house. And I would really love for you guys to comment in the section below and let me know kind of your experience. Do you feel the same way? Do you feel stuck? Have you sold a home and bought an RV, or vice versa? Have you went from an RV into a house? I'd love to hear from you guys. And I try my real hardest to reply to everybody. So yeah, let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. I think that's going to be it for this video. It's a very quick video. I just wanted to kind of explain some things and talk to you guys. I'm actually headed to a New Year's party tonight. So tomorrow's video will start after I end filming this. Does that make any sense? So we'll film New Year's and then we'll hit the road and start heading towards Tofino. It's always a pleasure talking with you guys. I hope that you guys keep living that dream, do whatever makes you happy, and take care. Bye-bye.